What's up, people? How y'all doing? Finally back with the shadow here. I got my clutch and brake lever changed. As you can see, now I have this beautiful ASV brake and clutch levers. I think they look beautiful in this bike, and they are pretty much very useful. I like the aesthetic of it. I like how it blends in. I like how I can change the lengths and everything with it. I can change how much tight of the grip I want, how farther the levers are from my handlebars. I can customize all that now. I'm very happy with this mod. I also got my rear tire changed. My rear Diablo Rosso 4. I had a nail got into it, if you remember from my last video. I got a nail in my rear tire due to which it was flat. Then I had to take it to an auto shop. It was not a motorcycle shop because I couldn't just push the bike till my house, you know, because it was already 8 p.m. Everything was closed. I couldn't tow my bike, so I had to push it till I found an auto shop. They patched it temporarily. The next day I went to my dealership, gave them my bike to patch it from the inside hopefully, but they said they don't patch it. You have to change your tires, otherwise it's gonna be very dangerous for you. So I took their suggestion and I ordered a new tire from them. It arrived, and as soon as it arrived I went to change it, and I had to leave the bike there for one day because I also told them to install these for me because I didn't have the time to do it on my own, and I couldn't wait to keep this on. So I just told them to please add them, and they did it. So today, as soon as they opened, I went and grabbed my shadow. I miss her so much, and now it feels smooth. It's a new tires. I know it's going to be slippery, so I'm trying to add miles to them. Yeah, now you are all caught up. This is all that's happened. So I'm still getting used to the new brake, clutch and levers. I need to spread this one a bit more. I think this is fine. Brake is doing fine, but I like how lightweight they feel compared to my OM brake and clutch levers. They also fixed my windshield. I think it was pretty much downward, it was touching my fairings. Now it's not. I have pretty good gap on it, and it's going good. So yeah, that's all that's happened in the past couple of weeks. Now I'm going to get brunch with my brother. It's 11:39 already. I haven't had anything except for a cup of coffee. So I'm heading towards the Laughing Gull Cafe at Gloucester. So let's enjoy the ride till then. Let's go. So tonight we also have a motorcycle and cars meet at Beverly at 6 p.m. I guess it starts. We have a lot of shows and, let's say, events, motorcycle events coming up from the Boston Ducati Club and from different other group riders. They have reached out to me to like join their group rides and everything, and I'm so grateful, so thankful. I would never say no to those unless I have some other different plans. Ooh, look at these. It feels so great now. I could tell when I had my patch tire I couldn't do this very confidently because I was scared, one thing, and second thing was the patch that was in the middle of my tire wouldn't let me swerve as much as I could, you know. Alright, we are here. కాబట్టి ba
1 hour later.
Alright guys, done with the brunch. Now we are heading towards Gloucester for a nice view ride. My bro hasn't been there yet, and I was here last time with the Boston Ducati club. I really love the location, so I'm gonna take him over there, have a little ride, you know, bro and bro ride. It's a very good day at Boston today. Just 84 degrees outside. It's hot maybe, but no, we have the breeze. We have no humidity today. It's so breathable. It's so nice. Woo! Oh, I miss this so much. I f this boy. Look at this. Nice car. Oh, is it Royce? Looks like Rolls Royce. Woo! Man, are you guys ready? This view is beautiful. Only if there was not this Jeep. Look at this. Woo! I love this one, man. Love this view, man. Love this view. Wow. I wish we could keep our bike somewhere and enjoy this. This place is crazy good. 85 Atlantic Road. If any of one of y'all want to come see this view, ride this road, 85 Atlantic View. It's so breezy over here, man. I can park my bike here, I know, but my bro can't put his car in there, so. Alright guys, I was just cruising down the highway to Cycles 128 for the meetup, and I met this bunch of motorcycle people over here, and I just joined the group unannounced, uninvited. I don't care, man. It's always fun to be riding in a group, and this group is huge, I'm telling you. I wish I had an exhaust like that, man. Anywho, okay, we are almost there at our motorcycle and car meetup point. We have like 2 minutes on the map. I am 12.6 miles on the trip fuel right now. There's a gas station nearby which I'll fuel after the event, obviously. So we are all pulling up together, I guess. I don't know these riders at all. I just joined the group, and now we are showing up together. I mean, we are going at the same place anyway, so it doesn't really matter if I know them or not. Woo! It feels great to be with the gang. Oh, look at that, there's a ninja. I hope they open till 7 at least. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, this bike is loud as f. boy. Let's go. To her. Woo. Listen to that. Super Duke. Alrighty guys, that was the motorcycle and car meet at Beverly today. We had tons of fun, met new people, joined new groups. It was totally a worth it event. Plus being it free, so many mods car and a lot of groups of bikes came. Had tons of fun. With that being said, today has been a very productive day. Got the bike, got new mods on it. Went for a short ride, see the view, went for some speed, met new friends. It's all good, it's all good. Today's day was great, and I hope you all guys enjoyed as well. If you did, please do share this with your friends. But once again, thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave some comment if you want to, share it with your friends so that I can grow some subscribers. It would mean a lot to me. I'm really thankful and grateful for everything I have right now. With that being said, this is it. Yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Until next time, take care of yourself, guys. Be safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.